3.
Alright. So just keep your hands down to the side. You want to chase him because he's trying to say, maybe Roger's going to win at, the French Open. And we both know that's not going to happen. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going.
I promise we wouldn't pull the chair out front. Just like the suit. Just like the suit.
Yay!
Yay!